Knowing how to read the ocean is crucial to locate game fish. It's all about nutrient-rich zones, which in turn concentrate bait fish, which in turn attract game fish. These features arise from converging currents, upwellings, weed lines, and sea surface temperature fluctuations. SiriusXM's fish mapping displays these critical ocean features directly on your boat's display. Of the 8 key fish mapping features, the ones I utilize most are plankton front strengths and contours. These reveal the most concentrated masses of plankton, a major forage of bait fish. Also, sea surface temperature fronts and contours divulge major ocean temperature boundaries. These are commonly associated with converging currents. Once again, bait fish and game fish should be concentrated along these zones. Fish mapping displays also include weed lines, 30-meter subsurface temperature readings, sea surface height anomalies, and fishing recommendations. Learn more about fish mapping at SiriusXM.com/fishmapping.